Speak English with teacher. Listen carefully and repeat after me. How are you doing today, my dear friend? I'm fine, thank you, and you too. I'm happy to see you again today. It's a nice day to go outside now. I really like your smile, it's beautiful. That's a good idea. Let's do it together. Let's meet later and talk a little more. I don't have much time right now, sorry. Can I ask you a quick question, please? That's okay. Don't worry about it, really. I'm so happy to be here with you. I'm tired today, but I feel really good. I'm a little nervous, but I'll be fine. I'm hungry. Let's eat something nice together soon. I'm excited about my new job this week. I feel calm and ready for my lesson. I'm sad today, but tomorrow will be better. I'm proud of my English. It's getting better. That song always makes me feel really happy. You make me smile every single time, honestly. Can you help me, please? I need this. Could you speak slowly, please? I'm still learning. Can you show me how to do this? Would you like some tea or coffee now? Can you tell me the time, please? Could you write it down for me, please? May I sit here next to you, please? Can you open the window? It's hot here. Could you repeat that one more time, please? Can you help me find my phone, please? If you like this video, click like and subscribe. Where are you from? I like your accent. Do you like this city? It's really nice. What do you do in your free time? I like music, movies, and walking in parks. Let's talk about your favorite food or drink. How long have you lived here, by the way? The weather is so nice and sunny today. I love summer, but winter is okay too. That's interesting. Tell me more about your job. You're so friendly. It's nice talking with you. I have a lot of work to do today. I like working in a team with good people. Let's start now and finish before lunchtime, okay? Can you check my work, please, before sending? I'm learning something new every single day here. I need more time to finish my homework today. Let's study together and help each other learn. I forgot my pen. Can I borrow yours, please? I'll try my best to do it well. I'm ready to start. Let's begin right now. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop, please? How much is this ticket to the city, please? I'd like to go to the airport, please now. Can I pay by card or only with cash? Excuse me, is this the right train to London? I'm lost. Can you help me find my hotel? How far is it from here to the beach? I'd like a table for two, please. Thank you. The food looks delicious. I can't wait to eat. I really enjoyed my trip. It was so nice. I can do this. I just need more practice. I'm not perfect, but I'm getting better daily. I learn something new every single day now. I believe in myself and my English learning. Don't give up. You're doing very well now. Step by step, everything will be much easier. It's okay to make mistakes. Just keep speaking. I'm proud of myself. I didn't give up today. I'm doing my best, and that's good enough. Every day I speak, my English gets better. Really? That's so interesting. Tell me more, please. Oh, I didn't know that before. Thank you. That's funny. I like stories like that one. I see what you mean. That makes sense. If you like this video, click like and subscribe.